Hey people, welcome to my channel. It's Magician33. If you haven't already subscribed, please do that now and turn on the notifications wherever it is. And I'm going to share with you an effect that I have been fooling magicians with all around the world, and it's so beautiful. Okay, watch. So we're going to take a penny, for example, or you could do this with an American half dollar, or you could do this with any coin. So just take the penny, put it straight down like this, turn it invisible, pick it up and throw it under the other hand. This really happened, should be under the other hand. I will show you again. Take it, make it invisible, throw it under the hand, and it reappears under the hand. Or you can make it disappear like this. Throw it under the hand. Okay, in slow motion. If you guys want to know the secret, in slow motion, what is happening is that we are throwing it. If you don't believe in jinns and ghosts, this is what we're doing. Okay, throwing it really slowly. At the moment I'm trying to do it as slowly as possible. That's what we're doing. But you want to give the motion that we're going straight down with our hands. So you don't want to be throwing it like this. Otherwise, that kind of gives it away. You want to give the illusion that we're coming straight down. So, in one action, straight down. But if we just, with practice, you'll get there. I remember doing this about the age of 6 or something before I was into magic. I didn't get into magic till I was about 19. But I remember practicing this effect on a curb in my house in Broadfield. You get me, fam? Don't know why I've ruined the video with that, but yeah, I remember practicing on the curb for hours and hours and hours, just this. Oops. But yeah, I promise you I've fooled magicians all around the world with this effect. You might be able to glimpse it slightly, but if performed at the right speed like that, it looks very clean. And then you can start doing it like without a table, if you practice it well enough. So, like this. And that is true magic, if ever I saw it. But if you liked what you saw, please subscribe, like and share. Killer effect, if practiced and practiced and practiced. And then you'll be able to fool any magician. And then if you want more content, you know what to do. Peace out.